difficulties, and I'm afraid the flight is going to be 20 minutes delayed. Thank you for your patience. Listen here, you little piece of shit plane. You're going to get on that runway, and you're going to take us to Rochester.
No, I hate you.
Why do you hate me?
Oh, no reason. I just hate you, so I won't fly.
No, you will fly.
No way, no way, no way.
You're such a child. You do this all the time.
Are you two at it again?
Yes, always. It's the same thing all the time.
What's wrong, Airbus, honey?
My wing hurts.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, don't coddle him. He needs to be able to go through with this pain.
Be sensitive. If he says it hurts, it hurts. Is there anything I can do to help, Airbus, honey?
A Band-Aid.
A Band-Aid? What the hell do you need a Band-Aid for? You can't even bleed.
Fuck you, Dad.
I'm not your dad. Why do you always say that? I'm not your dad.
Yeah, you are. Tell him, Mom.
Humor him, Bill.
Humor. This machine thinks we're its parents. I'm not going to humor him.
If you're not my dad, I'm gonna cry.
No, please don't cry again.
Do something.
I do this every time. I'm sick. Hey there, Airbus.
Dad, is that you?
Yeah, it's me.
If you're my real dad, then what's my favorite color?
Blue, like the skies you were born to fly through.
That's correct. I love you, Daddy.
I love you too.
Can I have a hug?
I'm not.
Bill, do you want to get off the ground or not?
Please, Daddy, just one little hug.
Isn't that better? Now, I'll get you a Band-Aid, and then you're going to fly us to Rochester. Right, Airbud, honey?
Okay, I guess so.
Piece of cake.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like we're up and running, and we will be heading off to Rochester in just a few minutes.
We will be heading up to Rochester in just a few minutes. Haha, you're so dumb, Dad.
Shut up, piece of shit!